this is the day when the volcano erupted.
So tell me what happened.
Well, the volcano started to erupt. Let me just show you in different. See?
And what happened? Like, okay, so the volcano started to erupt. Did anything come out of the volcano?
Yeah, that was lava. Basically, lava is red. Yeah.
And did it go down rolling over the volcano and running towards you?
Well, it was kind of slow, so I had time to escape.
Right. And did the lava melt the rocks and the trees and the houses?
Well, lava is very strong and it melts everything and it destroys everything in its path.
Wow. That sounds really scary.
Yeah.
And was there smoke?
Yeah, definitely smoke. Smoke is usually kind of black and gray, but I think it's black or gray.
And what can you tell me about the lava?
Well, lava, very strong, breaks everything in its path.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's absolutely 100 million degrees hot.
Wow. And where was this volcano?
It was in Hawaii, which I don't know how to speak the language.
Aloha.
Aloha.
That means hello and goodbye.
Okay. The end.